everyone, welcome back to Food with Us. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my recipe on how I do my pernil, which is pork shoulder. I just wanted to give a big shout out to my daughter Amia for that last video that she did, because that was like super cool. She did such a good job, guys, and she's only 8 years old. So props to Amia. So here are all the ingredients we will need today. So we have our pernil, which I have half of a pork shoulder because my family is small. And then we have salt, Sazon, Sofrito, which I handmade, and I will definitely have a video showing that soon. Adobo, minced garlic, and then I have some fresh garlic that I chopped up, ground black pepper, oregano, and classic olive oil. Alright guys, so we're about to make our mix, so I'm going to show you how to do that. First thing I'm going to put in is my salt, and I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of salt. Alright, so now the next thing we're going to be using is adobo, and we're going to need 2 tablespoons of adobo. Our next one is the minced garlic. We're going to do 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. And the next ingredient is black pepper. And we're going to do 1 teaspoon of black pepper. And our next one is the Dominican oregano, and you can use any oregano. And we're going to do 1 tablespoon of oregano. And our next ingredient is Sazon, and we're going to put 1 whole packet inside the bowl. And then our next ingredient will be our Sofrito. Just pour all that in there. And then we have, last but not least, classic olive oil. We are going to do 1 tablespoon of classic olive oil. And now we're going to mix everything together. Alright guys, so I have my pernil, I have my marinade, and now I'm going to put that marinade all over my pernil and rub it in there. You want to get in between any spots to get that flavor absorbed in there. And after this, we're going to do something pretty cool too. That's a good trick to get flavor inside of thick cut meats. I'm going to flip this bad boy over, and we're going to season the back as well. Alright guys, now that we have all that, everything covered and full of flavor, we're going to go ahead and add our garlic pieces. So these are pieces of minced garlic that I cut up, and we're just going to stuff them in some of these holes that I made earlier. Pretty good way to get some flavor inside of thick cut meats. Okay, so we have our pernil all seasoned up and ready to go. The last step would be to add some adobo to the skin to dry it out, so that way we can get that crisp when it's cooking. So you'll just place a good amount and rub that in there. And if it feels kind of dry, that's what we want. So we're going to do this on the outside of the skin, and then we're going to do it on the inside as well. And it's just on the skin, guys. This is how we get chicharrones. Alright guys, so now it's time to let this pernil marinate. We're going to marinate this overnight. Hey guys, I'm back. So it has been 1 full day. I have been letting my pernil marinate. Now I'm going to pop this in the oven. So I have my oven preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to put this in for 4 hours, guys. I'm going to cover it up with aluminum foil and I'm going to turn it halfway through. So at the 2-hour mark. See you when this bad boy is done, guys. Hey everyone, welcome back. So my penne is out of the oven, and as you can see, this thing is just falling right off. It completely came off my bone. That's how you know it's done. Everything is just coming off as soon as I run my fork through it. Perfectly good penne, guys. And I gotta say, it smells so delicious. And I'm definitely gonna show you how that chicharrón comes out too. So it's almost done, guys. I'll be back. Hey guys, so I am back. My cuero is done. And as you can see, this is what the dish looked like. It is smelling delicious in here, guys, and I gotta tell you, this penne is awesome. So definitely give it a try, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and definitely hit that notification bell so you can get all our recipes as soon as they come out. Bye guys, see you next time.